Let's harvest some melons today. I am out here with our melons, and this variety right here is called the honey rock. This is one plant, and look at all of these gorgeous melons that are forming. There's so many, and there's one behind me. These two golden ones right here are ready to harvest, so we're gonna harvest these and enjoy some melons today. The thing I like about this variety is you can harvest in 80 days from planting. It's one of the fastest melons you can grow. Let's check to see if these golden ones are ready. One way you can tell is the color, but also if you put your finger underneath where it's attached, and there it popped. It'll just pop off the vine with just a little bit of pressure. This one's perfect. This one right here with the golden color, I'm sure that it is also ready to harvest. I'm gonna just pop off the top. There we go, we've got another little honey rock. And then right here, see this one is green, and when I put a little pressure under the stem, just a light touch, it doesn't pop off, so it's not ready. So we're gonna let these grow a little longer in the garden, but we are gonna have some awesome melon. If you're looking for a quick variety that's also delicious, honey rock is a great variety to add to your garden. So I picked the honey rock melons today off the vine, and this one is definitely ripe, and this one also popped right off the vine. I think it's ready as well. I'm curious to cut into them. I'm thinking this one might be a little overripe, so I don't know, let's see. That smells perfect to me. I don't think it's gonna be overripe at all. It's still nice and firm. Oh, cannot wait to dig into that one. All right, let's cut open this one, which color-wise looks more green. You know what, it doesn't have as strong a smell. So this one, maybe we harvested a tiny bit early, I don't know. This one has also a little more orange color to it. So I think this is the perfect ripeness right there, but we won't know until we taste them. All right, so here's the ripe one. And here's the one we're wondering if we picked too early. All right, let's taste them. It's good, but it doesn't have the full cantaloupe flavor. Let's try this one. Yeah, this is it. Much better. This one's so good, fully ripe. And what that tells me is this one with the green skin, even though it popped right off the vine, the color wasn't right, so it was not fully ripe. This one tastes a lot better. It's just flavorful. It's got that great flavor, whereas this one is just barely starting to develop the flavor. Here are the colors of the two skins that we harvested this morning. This one, definitely not as good, the green skin. It's just barely starting to develop its flavor. This one's really good, full of flavor. I'm guessing this is why people don't love cantaloupe, is they're used to eating ones that don't have the fresh flavor. They're eating ones that were picked early, like this one, that are at the store, but this one is really good.
Cantaloupe from the garden makes me happy.
Fresh cantaloupe from the garden makes me so happy, especially when I get to eat it. I could grow a whole garden full of just this melon. So yummy.